Seatgeek versus Stubhub, which is better? In this video, I will explain each and everything regarding both of these websites. Seatgeek is a bit more limited than Stubhub, and why I am saying this because when it's come to a ticket format and deliveries, fees are also affected by the delivery choices. For example, Seatgate can send tickets over email or over the application. You can print them yourself if you want to, yet many venues accept only digital tickets. Make sure you check upfront. On the other hand, StubHub allow you to choose digital ticket versus paper ticket. Getting them over your app is probably the most convenient way. If you want them by email, you will be hit with extra fees. StubHub fees will also apply if you want StubHub to send physical tickets to you, which is basically an extra expenditure, extra charge, right? And which of these website is much more easy to use? While comparing Seatgate versus StubHub, you should know that both portals are easy to use and intuitive. The same procedure applies to both of them. Search for the tickets you want, go through a list of available tickets, choose the one you want, and proceed to the checkout page, which is very easy on both of this website and mobile application. Now, let's talk about the customer service. Seatgate has a easily accessible customer service. Feel free to use this live chat feature available on every page, right? So here you can just click on support and you will able to contact their customer service, which is very become convenient. On the other hand, StubHub has a good and acknowledge customer service, but it's not as easy to get there. You will need an account to access their customer care. Beside, if you want to take any questions regarding an account or something else, it is not really possible. And there's a no live chat feature for the StubHub, right? For example, in the SafeGate you can find it, you can just talk to them, but in the StubHub you doesn't, which is a very big difference. I hope you found this video very useful and you reach your conclusion.